Good day everyone, I am Christopher Junior J. Pineda, and in this vlog I will be explaining each part of the nervous system. There are 5 parts in the nervous system, and those parts are central nervous system CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS, autonomic nervous system C, somatic nervous system, and lyric nervous system ENS. I will be explaining each part of the nervous system. The CNS. It consists of the brain and spinal cord, primary control center of the body. It processes and interprets sensory information and sends instructions to the body, the PNS. It includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It transmits sensory info to the CNS and carries motor commands. Automatic nervous system C, a branch of the PNS that controls the involuntary function. It operates automatically and is responsible for maintaining homeostasis. Somatic nervous system, a part of penis that controls voluntary movement. It allows conscious control of the skeletal muscles and sends sensory information. The enleric nervous system, or ENS, a complex system of neurons embedded in the walls of the gastrointestinal tract. It regulates digestion, including processes like the movement of food through digestive tract and blood flow to gut. Number 1. The negative feedback mechanism in nervous system is the output of a process inhibits or counteracts the process itself. This helps maintain stability by opposing any deviation from a set point. An example is a regulation of body temperature, controls blood sugar, and thermostat-controlled heating systems. Number 2. In positive feedback mechanism, the output of a process simplifies the process itself. This creates a cascading effect, leading to a rapid increase or decrease. The examples are childbirth, blood clotting, and fruit ripening.